right. Yeah, let's head back.
Here,
Mallory,
guys, come this way.
come on, let's head back. All right,
Are we going home now?
Meredith, start watching for,
Snake.
well, not necessarily snakes. Over here.
Where?
Come try this one, Meredith.
Where?
Right here.
No.
Yes, come get this one. Come on, come get it. Mallory, come get this one.
Don't eat dead frogs, stupid.
Right there.
This one?
Yep. Go ahead. Grab it.
Poison ivy. Daddy,
Go ahead.
I got it.
Good
Daddy,
job.
this is poison ivy.
What about this one? See if that one will come up.
Daddy. Nope.
Okay, try the one that's on the opposite side over here, Sissy. Right there.
Ouch. Daddy,
Meredith, just a second.
can you answer my question?
Not at all. All right.
A little bit.
A little loose.
This poison ivy.
There we go. All right, let's head back.
Is this poison ivy?
No, poison ivy has 3 leaves. Sometimes it has 7,
Okay, guys.
I believe.
So, you mean that is poison ivy? Doctor, somebody's been on here. Uh-huh. Oh, somebody's snake.
Now listen,
Why are you not on this path? That is
Mallory, what are you doing? You gonna try another one? Ooh, try that one right there, Sissy. Behind you.
this one.
Yep. No. Heavy, is that what you said?
Who
Okay.
has someone?
Let's see if that one will come. No, that one's in a pretty nice.
Oh, wait. Got it.
Oh, good job. Wiggle it. No, get it. Wiggle it. Wiggle it back and forth and pull hard. Pull. There you go. Nice work, kid. All right.
Oh, gosh, this is
You know what we need to do? We need to bring some clippers.
Is this poison ivy?
No. You're good. You trying to go up the middle, Sissy?
Is any of these bushes poison ivy?
No, but if you'll come around, you won't. Those things might make you itchy though.
I found some. What is this buzzing
Biting caterpillars? I don't think so. All right, head back up over this way. Look, I think we can go around this tree, baby. There we go. We're coming. There you go. What about this tree right here that's growing right next to the tracks? I'm willing to bet these tracks hadn't been ridden on in quite a while.
What?
You put them all on?
I can't pull any of the others.
All right, kid. Hop on the cart. Meredith.
Get on.
Come on, sissy. Let's hop on. Hop on, Pop. Do you want me to find you another loose one?
Yes.
All right, all right, come try this one.
One more.
Right here. Try that one.
Nope. Not
All right, Meredith, try that one.
Where?
Right there. Where Bernie, yeah, that's it. Yep, try that one.
This one?
No, next to him.
Got
Good
it.
job. All right, hold on. Jeez. Probably gonna get arrested.
Another one.
Ooh, there's a bolt. Look at that, sissy.
Where?
Laying right there. I wonder what that goes to.
What's that?
All right, y'all see if y'all can get a couple of more. Oh, there's a bent one laying in the dirt.
Where?
Right there. Get that one. That one's cool looking. Sissy. Right here. All right, try this one. No, the one on the outside. There you go. Nothing? Oh. You gotta pull hard, sissy. All right. I think we got more than we can carry right now, but listen.
Put them on the golf cart, Dad. That one now.
Careful.
On the golf cart, I guess.
All right, y'all come back this way because somebody's gonna call the police on us. All right, y'all want to get one more apiece?
Yeah.
All right, one more piece and then we'll go.
My hand.
That's okay, it's just rust. All right, oop, get that one. There you go.
I got it.
All right, that's one for Mal.
No. Hold it.
Here, I'll get it.
Saint
Meredith.
Bernard. Here. Take it, I got one. Dad, Kyle. Dad,
Is it coming at all, Mal? Mare?
where's the...
Is it moving?
Yep.
Wiggle it fast.
Where's all the boat thing?
You got it. Come on.
Where's all the boat thing?
It's almost out.
Where's all the...
Wiggle it.
Dad, where's all the bees?
They're on the dash of the golf cart. Wiggle it. There you go. Nice work, kid. All right, go. Y'all go put them on the
Now-
dash and we'll head out.
Now we got two.
But listen, we'll do this again. Okay.
Wait.
I don't know if we can do it tomorrow.
Here.
Oh, you got another one? All right. If anybody's watching, this train track is coming up. They're gonna make this a bike path. So I don't think we're gonna have any derailed trains or anything like that. So
Not coming up. Get it!
did it move?
A little bit.
All right.
I'm not getting
Hold
it.
that. All right, we're good. Let's roll. Y'all want a picture on the train tracks?
Yeah.
All right, stand
Yeah.
right there.